Hello dear learners, today I will be taking us through how to prepare a frequency table for an ungrouped data and how to determine mean, median and mode of an ungrouped data. Let's take a look at this question. A dial is rolled 15 times and the following scores were obtained. We are to prepare a frequency table for this data and then determine the mean, median and the mode. To do this is an ungrouped data. So to do this, when preparing this, we are going to need about 3 columns, in which the first column will be for score, the second column will be for tally, and the third column will be for frequency. So to do that, we have score, now that the table is prepared, we now look at the scores that we have. We have from 1 to 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'll make tally for each of the score. For 1, we have it 1, 2 twice. So we have 2 tallies here, 2 strokes. For 2, we have it twice as well. 1, 2. For 3, we have it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 4, we have it 2 times. 1, 2. For 5, we have it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. For 6, we have it once. Then we confirm that all these add up to the total frequency, which is 15. We can interpret it here by saying 2, 2, 5, 2, 3, 1. Now the frequency table has been prepared. That's for question number 1. Then question number 2, we are to determine mean, that is the average score of this. Remember, the mean has the formula summation fx over summation f. Here the total frequency is our summation f, but we then need to make summation fx, so we need to add to the column here another one, which is fx. Remember, f is frequency, x is for the score. Then we then multiply x and f together to give us fx for each of the score. So 1 multiplied by 2, 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 3 multiplied by 5, 15, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 5 multiplied by 3, 15, 6 multiplied by 1, 6. Then we then add everything together, because that will give us the summation fx. When we add everything together, what do you get? 50. Good. So we can then proceed by saying our mean is equals to 50 divided by 15, which gives us 3.33. And since the score, each of the score here is in whole number, so we can approximate our mean to be 3. That means the average of this set of data or set of values is 3. Now the next one is to determine the median. Let's recall that the median is the middle number when the given set of values are arranged in the order of size. So to do that, we first determine the median position. To determine the median position is going to be n that is the total number of the value plus 1 divided by 2. So the value that fall into this position, let's determine the position, that is 15 plus 1 over 2. When you look at that, 16 divided by 2, that will give us 8. That means the 8th value will be our median. So therefore the median is equals to, we now go to our table, since it has been arranged in the order of size from 1, which is the least, to the 6, which is the biggest. So we look at the one that fall into the 8th position. Remember, this frequency has arranged it, so this shows that we have 2 copies of 1. Here we have 2 copies of 2. So we need to look at it. This is 2, 4th position is here, so 9th position will be here. So this is where 8th position also falls into, and our median will be equals to 3. And the last part is for us to determine the mode. Remember the definition of mode, what we call mode. Mode is the value that occurs most, that is the value with the highest frequency. So if you look at it, which value in our score has the highest frequency? That is 3. So 3 is our mode. So we've been able to answer the question, what is the mean, median, and mode of this given set of data. So the mean is 3, the median is also found to be 3, and the same thing as the mode. The mode is also equals to 3. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Demi Academy. Click on the like button